Hey, Millenniumforce here. Quacky Duck's over here, and the crew is up on the bridge with Jawtooth and Andy. Before this train gets here, there's a train coming, an intermodal. It's coming up the hill, going to Altoona from Johnstown. But look at this bridge called Cassandra, a town called Cassandra. This bridge is like 100 years old, and look at the concrete and everything on this bridge. I'm afraid to stand on it, but check this out. Louie's going to take the camera and show you a little bit of the concrete.
Here you go, folks. I'm doing this for Millenniumforce because he can't get down here. So I kind of help him out with some things. But look how, see?
We had 4 or 5 of us cadets and one 18-year-old. The 18-year-old took the pumper out.
Get on down there.
Yes. We had to take cars for the other run. And they'd call other departments for
You can see what you're standing on. It's all coming apart.
Oh, I know. It's not.
And Brian, you're standing on a shelf right there.
Shelf?
Yeah, the underneath is gone.
This bridge is old.
It's going to crack and someone's going to fall through it. Look at it. Look how it's underneath. Alright, my concern is this one piece of bridge here that we stand on. It's a little shelf and it's all breaking apart. Check this out.
Here. Well, they do a steel rebar in there. They got steel beams going across.
Well, it's just time for the bridge to go.
No, it ain't gonna last forever.
This is going to be some hot wind. This has been a Millenniumforce presentation. Come back and see me sometime, would ya? Make sure you subscribe and hit that thumbs up like button. And I don't mean the thumbs up like anywhere else. See ya!